Hello fellow cruisers, this is Steve, your pro cruiser. Today we're diving into the exciting world of first-time cruising. Whether you're planning your first voyage or just curious about cruising, this video is crafted just for you. Let's break down the basic costs of a cruise. When planning your first cruise, it's crucial to understand not only the cost but also what is and isn't included in that price. We'll explore these details to help you budget effectively for your adventure on the high seas. The dollar amounts can vary widely, with budget cruises starting around $500 per person, mid-range options averaging $1,500, and luxury experiences that can exceed $4,000, depending on factors like the cruise line, the destination, and the length of your journey, which can range from a few days to several weeks. Now, let's talk about what you can expect to be included in your cruise fare. Knowing what's covered and what's additional can make a big difference in planning your cruise experience and managing your travel budget efficiently. While planning your cruise, it's important to consider additional costs that might not be immediately obvious. These can include things like gratuities, shore excursions, and specialty dining. Being aware of these can help you manage your budget more effectively. Budgeting for your first cruise can seem daunting, but with a few tips, you can make it manageable. Start by setting a clear budget for the essentials, and remember to allocate funds for additional expenses, like those we discussed. This way, you'll avoid any unpleasant surprises and enjoy your cruise to the fullest. Please hit the subscribe button and share your thoughts and questions in the comments. Thanks.